Welcome to this market overview of the Slitter Rewinder equipment market. The global Slitter Rewinder equipment market was valued at USD 1.287 billion in 2024 and is projected to reach USD 1.608 billion by 2031, expanding at a 3.23% CAGR. Growth is being supported by flexible packaging demand, automation, digital controls, and increasingly connected manufacturing equipment. E-commerce is strengthening packaging demand, while manufacturers are adopting automation, IoT connectivity, and predictive maintenance technologies to improve productivity and precision. Global e-commerce sales were projected to reach approximately USD 7.5 trillion in 2024, creating additional demand for packaging conversion equipment. The 300 to 600 meters per minute equipment category held 41.81% of the market in 2023. By application, paper led with 47.33%, valued at approximately USD 590.9 million. Asia Pacific is the largest regional market, accounting for 46.78% in 2023, or approximately USD 584.1 million, and is projected to grow at 3.66% CAGR. Europe is the second largest market, while North America remains an important mature market driven by machinery upgrades and automated packaging production. Asia Pacific's leadership is supported by manufacturing expansion across China, India, Japan, and Southeast Asia. Latin America and the Middle East and Africa represent developing opportunities as packaging, manufacturing, and industrial infrastructure investment expands across these regions. To know more about our research services, visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.